You will be amazed by this 2018 Jeep Compass. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It's the sophisticated beauty with bookish smarts. It's the Compass. Come in and drive it.